I don't know who need to hear this. Are you a beginner looking to make money online, but you don't know where to start? Don't worry, I get you covered. So basically, if you want to start earning online, what you need first is a good quality product, right? It's a good product, a product basically that solve issues, right? It can be a service or or a digital product, right? So you need to find a good quality product, really. So, and secondly, you need traffic. So traffic means you bring people to see your offer, right? So so traffic can be categorized into two parts. So there is the traffic that you control, right? Traffic you control. This is pay ads, right? You pay ads, for example, pay Google ads or TikTok ads, so to bring people to see what you are offering, right? You are promoting, right? So this traffic is called traffic that you control, and traffic that you don't control, it's it's called organically. So basically, you use your time, right? So like um, doing TikTok videos or YouTube videos, doing blogging, etc. Right? Or going on Quora and asking, responding to questions in those forums, right? So those are called organic traffic or free traffic because you are using your time, right? Um, so and once you master traffic, right? Because traffic really is a key to any success in any business, right? Any business needs traffic, right? So you master traffic, and you become the king, really. Then once this traffic came, so you need automation, right? So basically, people will give you their email information in exchange of something of value, something very very valuable, right? you know so then the automation will follow up with the people, right? So by sending them their email, that we call it follow up emails, right? So and yes, so meaning, right? So you can be able to automate the whole things, so you send emails, quality emails, of course, sharing values, you know but everything going to be automatically, right? So to automation, so that you can disconnect your time from from anything manual, right? So and of course, with the right mindset, the right attitude, of course you'll get money for sure, right? So because as soon as you don't give up, you continue to focus, you will be successful for sure. Yes. So and if you want to get started, you can comment start, and I will share with you, the first step to get started with digital marketing, to be precise. Take care.